Welcome to another house tour. Ayan, nandito tayo sa pre-selling na Evara Residences. And titingnan natin ang ating mga unit. And as you can see, may mga dress unit tayo. And this one is the turnover unit. Pero papakita rin namin sa inyo yung mga dress. This is complete. Yan, ibig sabihin, may fence and gate na. And semi-finish ang ating turnover, which for 52 square meter ang ating floor area and ang ating lot area ay 48 square meter sa mga inner unit natin. Siyempre, kung makaka-avail kayo ng corner lot tulad nun, yung corner lot, siyempre mas iba ang size, medyo may konting laki. So, let's go inside. And you can see, kaya ang mag-park dito sa ating unit, di ba? So, at least, yan. So, let's go inside. Let's go. And so, this is the actual unit. Actually, semi-finished siya, pero, look that. May painted na yung taas, papalitan nyo na lang yung ilaw and high ceiling. And may tiles na rin ang ating sink. Ang wala lang ay ang ating flooring. Kasi it's your option, di ba? Kung ano yung gusto nyong klase ng tiles. So, could be your living area. Okay? And this is your dining. Ayan, may mga saksakan tayo. So, let's check the CR. Ayan, so ang ating CR ay whole tiles na siya. Ayan, so meron kayong sink and bowl. And this is your shower area. Ayan. So, telephone shower. So, pwede nyo yung palitan, minor na yan. At, tingnan nyo naman how amazing. We have laundry area here. May saksakan and meron tayong faucet na rito. So, you can do your laundry tsaka yung sampay nyo. And you can still do the kitchen, dirty kitchen here, di ba? Maluwag pa. Ayan yun. Coveran nyo na lang yan. Okay, as you can see, it's an open. So, it's up to you kung 2 bedrooms. So, kaya siya ng 2 bedrooms and mapapaayos siya. Kayo na yon. Pero look at the ceiling natin. Naka-paint na siya. And ang kagandahan dito, walang townhouse na may 2 bedroom. Ay, 2 CR. Dito lang sa Evara Residences. At may pa-mini balcony pa. Okay. May mga naka-ready ng saksakan for the... Yan. So, may mini balcony rin in front. If you like this unit, don't hesitate to contact us. Avail now bago ka pa maubusan. Thank you and God bless. Ayan, so let's see kung ano yung pwede nyong magawa sa unit na for turnover sa inyo. Let's go. Ayan, so look at that. You can set your unit like this. Pero you can use medyo mas maliit pa para mas ma-maximize yung ating unit. But this one is so nice kasi meron siyang mga cabinet sa ilalim. Okay? So you can set like this. And so, pwede nyo siyang railing or yun nga, divider or yung hardiplex na cement finish para magkaroon kayo ng another bedroom dito. Walang ilaw. Okay. This will be your master's bedroom kasi mas malaki yung sukat niya. Tsaka nandito yung ating balcony outside, diba? Yan. So, same lang naman yan. So, you could put plants or chair. Yan. And the other side naman, ayan, you can put it as another bedroom or yan, just sofa bed, CR, and you have your balcony sa back. So, this is your sample CR na pwede nyo lagyan ng curtain. And ito naman yung possible na corner lot. Kung corner lot, makaka-avail pa ng corner lot. Yan. So, yan, mas pinasok yun. Pero almost this one is same size. Pero the other corner lot, which is not yet all sold out na. Ayan, sold out na. Ay medyo may mga malalaki, but for now, sold out ng ating corner lot. Pero inner lot, marami pa tayo. So other, ano nyo, maaayos nyo. Ayan. So, minimalist. Napakaganda. Ayan. So, minimalist siya. Diba? Habang nanonood ka or kumakain ka, you can do both. Galing, ito pwede nyo gawing stock room yung ilalim. So, good idea. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay. A 2-bedroom. So, this is the 2-bedroom model unit. And as you can see, it can occupy even the double or queen size bed. And you have your TV and you have your, pwede dito nyo ilagay yung inyong mga cabinets, diba? Ang dami pa rin. And you have your balcony here. So, more seating capacity here, diba? Habang nagmumuni-muni kayo. Let's check the second bedroom. Ayan, so, ito naman, ang galing ng pagkakagawa nila, oh. So, you can design if you have 2 kids, loft bed, and sa baba, and their study area. And you have your cabinets here. So, amazing, di ba? And they have their own CR and balcony. So, either way, syempre, kung gusto nyo kayo yung may CR or yung kids nyo, pwede naman. Kasi meron pa rin naman tayong downstairs. So, ayan. So, if you like the unit, don't hesitate to call. Kasi pre-selling, unahan to, and bago kayo maubusan at bago tumaas ang ating mga price increase, di ba? So, sobrang sulit ng unit nyo kasi ang dami nyong magagawa. And there's no townhouse na 2 CR, di ba? So, dito lang yan sa Ibarra Residences. Thank you and God bless.